to show you today how to make my quick and easy Southwest Texas Huevos Rancheros. All you need is some eggs, a little bit of milk, refried beans, tortillas. I like flour for breakfast. Switch to corn for lunch and dinner. Some cheese shredded, and a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, and seasonings as you see fit. I start off by taking my tortilla and thinly spreading the refried beans onto it. This is a quick and easy recipe, so this won't take you more than 5 minutes to make, tops. So you spread a nice layer, not too thick, but try to cover the whole thing because the edges of the tortilla get a little bit hard if you don't get the edges. So I like to do that. Tortilla's covered, and then I walk over here. It's my microwave. And I put it in for 1 minute. You can do a little bit less. My microwave's kind of strong. Let's do 40 seconds. Okay, next step. Eggs. I usually do 2 eggs a person. There's 2 of us, so I'm gonna do 4 eggs. I do a touch of milk, pat of butter. So it'll end up looking like this. And then season as you see fit. I usually do some pepper, pinch of salt. Salt, by the way, is sterile, so you can stick your fingers in it as much as you like. It's not gonna mess up your salt. A little bit of garlic, not too much. It's breakfast. Some onion powder, I like that. I also sometimes do the dehydrated onions or sometimes fresh, but we're doing a quick recipe today. 5 minutes, that's all we have. Touch of cumin. Cumin really makes things taste Southwest, in my opinion. Tiny bit of chili powder, not too much. Touch of paprika, because I like it. Love the smell. This is what mine looks like right now before I go to cook it. Okay, I've moved over to my stove and now I'm over here cooking. I usually take a spoon, slotted, unslotted, doesn't matter. Start the heat. And I start stirring. It's easier with 2 hands. I keep this going for a bit so my eggs get nice and scrambled. I use stick-free pots and pans just because I need stick-free pots and pans. Everything kind of stirs together. And it cooks pretty quickly. It shouldn't take too long. It's already getting pretty thick, as you can see. Okay, so stop when that's about 90% done. It's still a little bit wet. Turn off the heat, put it on 0, and come over to your microwave. Take out your warm tortilla and shell, and that's when you cover it with cheese. This is the best part. Okay, so do a nice healthy coating. Then stick it back in the microwave. Now this melts pretty quickly and it's already warm, so you only need to put it in 4. I'm gonna do 20 seconds, 25. I'll put it in for 25. Start. So we come over here. Our eggs are done now. They finished that last kind of 5 to 10% on their own without any help. And take this out of the microwave, nice and melty. Spoon our eggs on top. And there you have it. Your nice and easy Southwest Texas Huevos Rancheros. Takes 5 minutes to make. I like to serve mine with Tabasco. My husband does not, but he loves eating it.